Hi buddies, this is Eileen, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a screen record on your new iPhone 15. When you go to your control center, there's no screen record option yet. So we're going to our settings, press on it, go down until control center, and then we can choose screen recording here on this little plus over here. Then you press it and now it's here. Then you can just close it, go to your drop down menu, and now we have the screen recording here. So if you want to do a screen record now, you can just press it. Here's a little countdown. And now it's recording our whole screen. To end it again, you can press here and stop the recording, or you're going back to your drop down menu and press here to stop recording. Now the recording is saved to photos, so we're opening photos and here it is. Now we can edit it, crop it, or just leave it like that. So this was it on how you can do a screen record on your new iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, get us a thumbs up, follow our channel, and we'll see us next time. Bye!